Welcome to Fun Learn class. Let's have fun, play, and learn. Hey kids! Are you ready to learn ABC with amazing jobs? Let's guess, act, and have fun together.
A is for artist. B is for baker. C is for chef. D is for doctor. E is for engineer. F is for farmer. G is for gardener. H is for hairdresser. I is for inspector. J is for judge. K is for king. L is for lawyer. M is for mechanic. N is for nurse. O is for officer. P is for pilot. Q is for queen. R is for reporter. S is for singer. T is for teacher. U is for umpire. V is for veterinarian. W is for writer. X is for X-ray technician. Y is for yoga teacher. Z is for zookeeper. Which profession do you like? If you like the video, parents can like, share and subscribe.
Bye friends. See you in Fun Learn class.